Good morning. I have to run some errands today, so I thought I would bring you along. And first, I need to get ready, so I'm gonna do my makeup. If you guys want a skincare video, I'm gonna be doing that pretty soon. I know I do this really weird. Concealer. I actually need to get more concealer today too, which, by the way, I need to write that down on my list. Make good journal. I know I'll forget concealer if I don't write it down. Oh, and cotton pads. Yay. Actually, I'm gonna text my mom and see if she wants to go to lunch. Got this new brow pencil and I actually really like it. Do I want eyeshadow? I don't know. I think I do. These two colors right here. Something like light. Have you ever wondered why we make the weirdest facial expressions when we do our makeup? This is my everyday lip color. I love this blush so much. This blush. Pretty girl. I don't even know what my hair looks like. I just slept on it and put it in a bun and then clipped it. So I don't know. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna use my T3 Heat ID curling iron and curl away. Okay, that's way better. Way better. It's like smoother and nicer. Okay, so I need to find my outfit and I kind of want to wear something like semi-punk and then super girly at the same time. So I'm thinking like black and pink. Do like this skirt. Okay, we'll wear it. Black could be cute. Black tights. Ooh, these are cute. Let's go over to the closets. This is what I see. I want this. Very cute. Okay, so now I need a shirt. This is cute. I do like this. Ooh, these are cute. One of these. So my Doc Martens. I know my pants probably have so much cat hair on them, but you know what? I have a cat and I just woke up. Very cute. I want to be warm, but I want to be stylish. Always a struggle. I need jewelry. So I picked up my room and I added a cute hat and this waist chain belt. So I'll show you what it looks like with the full jacket. Okay. I mean, I like it. I think it's very cute. Very me. I'm gonna finish making my list and then we can go run errands. Okay, so we just got to this place with a bunch of food trucks outside and it's actually really cute. Oh, the sushi place is open, so maybe I'll get sushi. I think I want to get pad thai. We actually got green curry with tofu. Oh, yeah, maybe medium? Yeah, thank you. I'll get this one.
Okay, for you.
Thank you.
She knows that she drives them crazy when she's looking like that.
Just leaving now and we're gonna go back to the house to drop off leftovers. The green curry was amazing, but they gave me so much, so I'm gonna have that for dinner. And the sushi was so good. I got the sake, which I always get, the nigiri, and I loved it. I don't know. I don't think so. I kind of want to try a different kind. I'm gonna try this kind. You want one? I got my cute little immunity boost shot. My mom doesn't want one, but she wants me to buy her something else, so we'll see what she picks out.
So my mom was looking at this because this has too many carbs, and guess how many carbs are in this one? 34 grams.
I found a winner. This one, Super Coffee, never heard of it before, has 3 grams of carbs. Moment of truth. Oh, I don't know if that's a ginger or turmeric, but it's so spicy. So we randomly pulled over to this family farm. They have fresh fruit and apples, I think. And look at this cute little nursery in here. Which ones do I want? These ones? Ah.
What have you been up to today?
Just running errands, vlogging.
Vlogging? Okay. Standard. Yeah.
Went to lunch.
Cool. Where'd you go?
My mom's getting donuts.
My follower.
We are now going into TJ Maxx. I get gift cards, so we'll see if there's anything.
Clothes for my mom. This looks very cute. Very cute.
Black?
Yeah, black jeans or actually regular jeans too would look good. We got some cute clothes. Well, I didn't, but she got a cute blouse. And now we're off to ULTA. Yay! Okay, ULTA is actually right next to TJ Maxx, so we're gonna walk. There's this rosehip seed oil that I want to show you. So we're leaving ULTA and now we're gonna go get groceries. Last stop of the day. So it's near like 5 o'clock, but we're all done. We get to go home. Thank you guys so much for vlogging with me, and I hope you enjoyed it. But I got some really good plant-based food from Trader Joe's. Went to Market of the Choice for the first time ever, and it was really expensive, like ridiculously expensive. But they did have a ton of plant-based options and like healthier options. So yeah, I'm tired. I'm gonna go home and edit and hopefully get some rest and chill. And yeah, I need to watch Andor because I haven't seen it yet, so maybe I'll do that tonight. But thanks for tagging along, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.